Now, throwing the plane. You have to hold Zora's Itch in this, pretty much on my paper airplane where the circle is. I recommend they use scrap paper, not scrap. Definitely not notebook paper, but paper that is old and you're not going to use. Not necessarily old, but you're not going to use it anymore. So to hold it, you just hold it right here. I use 3 fingers, the thumb on one side and these 2 fingers on the other. This first flight will be the landing gear up. If it goes well, yay. Probably won't go well, because you know how this is. I have to capture the whole plane. And again, well no, wait, tried making a previous video, but that didn't go so well, because I could never get this plane up in the air. I just can't fly it indoors without trying to do anything. This will be full out. You can see it flies pretty good. It just needs to be outdoors. I'll show you with the landing gear down in just a moment. Yes. I like putting Zors at the end of the word Zor. So I do that. This is with the landing gear down. To put the landing gear down, just really fold it down. There's nothing to it. You just gotta know the alphabet. Yeah. Okay. Landing gear down. I don't know this might go so well. You didn't capture any of that. One more try. I'm sorry. So sorry, audience. Also sorry for trying to impersonate Toby. Again, that was a really good flight. Just couldn't see it. I'm gonna end the video on that. It might have not been clear, but I'm sure you could at least see it. Hello, goodbye. I didn't swear. I was gonna say hello, but you know, goodbye.